So as you know, I'm rocking the iPad mini 4 and I still think that this is the best iPad on the market right now. So it's not exactly the fastest iPad, and there are some other things that I think it lacks. So today I wanted to make my wish list for the iPad mini 5. Hope you enjoy. What is up, boys and girls? My name is Vin Jimfield. Hope you're having a smashing day, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Appreciate it. So today I wanted to talk about some of the features that I wish for in the iPad mini 5, if it ever gets released. We just don't know that. First of all, the form factor of the iPad mini 4 is unbeatable. So I think I'm just gonna say it right from the start, like, don't change the form factor in any way. Don't make it thinner, don't make it bigger, shorter, smaller, whatever. It's perfect the way it is. Seriously, if you can grip your iPad like this, it will be just fine. Okay, so no changes to the form factor of it. Like, I'm pleased with what it is. And I'm not gonna get this wish, but since everything is changing to Face ID, Apple is very stubborn on that point. Wishing for a better Touch ID would be on the top of my list, making it a bit faster compared to my iPhone 8 Plus. The iPad mini 4, it's not the fastest Touch ID. I would like it to be a bit faster. Now, don't change the resolution. Resolution is fine. Screen is fine. Everything is perfect. The number one thing that I do want to change would be to get a faster CPU and GPU at the same time. Get some of that A12 into it. That would be awesome. Like, it doesn't require a lot more, but the more you can push into it, the better. So that would be my number one thing. Like, if I could only pick just one thing to improve on the iPad mini 4, it would be just that. I mean, look, it even has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so it's perfect. Come on. Obviously, it's not gonna happen. If they ever do release an iPad mini 5, it's gonna probably have Face ID, no bezels, just an ugly notch on the top, and I think it's sad. I know this for a fact because if you look at, you know, the control center, you can't swipe from the bottom, you have to do from the top, and that's just stupid if you ask me. But it's also proving the point that Apple is making, is that every device is going to have notification the control center on top. I'm actually quite surprised that I haven't implemented it on my iPhone 8 Plus yet. I'm telling you straight though, that the moment I hear them talking about that on, like, say, iOS 13 or something like that, that's the moment I'm gonna stop updating my iOS altogether. I'm serious about that. Yeah, so no, so if there's one thing I'd like them to change, it would be like a faster CPU, GPU. Other than that, I really have no complaints. Like, the laminated screen is beautiful. I would prefer it if it had some of that true, I'm sorry, what's it called? It's not True Motion. True Motion, if we're talking about faster, you know, refresh rate, I wouldn't mind that on this thing. And I wouldn't mind that at all. But actually, I was mostly hoping to get what my iPhone 8 Plus does, and it's called, I'm sorry, I just forgot what it was called. It's is it True Color? No, it's not True Color. It's, give me a moment. It's True Tone. Sorry about that. True Tone would be awesome. I'm one of those people who appreciates True Tone on iPhones. Not everyone does. I understand that Marques Brownlee doesn't for some reason. I love it. I think it's awesome. So I would prefer it if it was on the iPad mini. At least if you could choose to have it. What is it? My cats, they want me to feed them. So I'm going to have to cut this video short. Sorry, when you love your cats, you have to prioritize. I'm coming. Jeez. Don't get cats.
Okay, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, see that like button, smash it. And I got some freakishly awesome videos coming up. Better subscribe so you don't miss a beat. I'll see you later. Peace.